Hi all, it's Jason Coltrane from jasoncoltrane.com. Going to show you real quick how to capture video of your entire uh, computer screen, including the mouse and audio, what have you. It works better on a laptop, I think, because you have the mic built in. But anyway, so we're just going to get started. What you'll see on the right-hand side here is the actual video broadcasting and screen capture software that I'm using. It's called Open Broadcaster software. It's open source software, so it's free, which is very nice. And show you how to get there. So you're going to go over to Google and you're just going to type in Open Broadcaster and you'll hit the download link. Next, you'll see the download installer. So you just download the installer and run it. It'll tell you something about, well, on Windows 10 anyway, it'll tell you that you're missing a DirectX component. Just go ahead and install that and it should proceed and get the software installed correctly and running. So once it's up and running, you'll see this screen off to the right here. You'll notice that I have a duplicate of my screen. That's usually blank. And until you start recording, it'll be blank. But down here, what you're going to want to do first is click on, right click on this pane right here and choose Add Scene. And you can name it OBS or something like that, just whatever. Okay. And you'll notice that maybe the screen will go black temporarily because I created a new scene. It's still recording, so I'm going to go ahead and on the pane next to it, you might have noticed that there is a sources box. You just right click on that as well, choose add, and then monitor capture. And it's going to ask you for the name of your monitor capture. I'll just leave the default monitor capture, click OK. And then it'll ask me which monitor I want to choose. It's by default, it's monitor 1. I'm going to click OK. And you notice that I'm back. So now that it's capturing the monitor again. So thirdly, what you're going to want to do is click on the settings button. And in here, you're going to want to change your language if you want. Encoding is fine. Broadcast settings, I usually change it from the default of live stream to file output only. And you're going to want to hit apply after everything you do because it'll just bug you. Next, you're going to go to video, and I usually like to, tell it to use the monitor 1. Audio, yes, I'll apply that. You're going to choose the desktop audio device, especially if you're using a laptop, you're going to choose your built-in speakers and headphones. Then you can click on hotkeys, and you'll notice that I've already done start recording and stop recording with hotkeys. I like to do that because sometimes I'll minimize the broadcast software and just start and stop the recording pretty easily with the hotkeys. Then you'll go to advanced. You can just pretty much leave everything here on out. You can test your thresholds for your mic, and that should do it. You click OK. And so now that everything's up and running, you're capturing everything that's going on in your screen. And I'll go ahead and end this tutorial by hitting Control-Alt-S. And hope you have fun making your own tutorials with some free software. And talk to you later. Thanks.